Hey, RxRevelation family. Did you know that certain habits and conditions can seriously impact your heart and brain health? Today, we're diving into 8 risk factors you need to watch out for to keep your heart and brain in top shape. Stick around because some of these might surprise you. From what we eat to how we live, let's uncover what could be silently putting you at risk. 1. Poor diet. Poor diet, consuming high amounts of processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, can lead directly to heart disease and cognitive decline. Instead, for a balanced diet, which is rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 2. Lack of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle can double the risk of heart disease and impair brain function. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. 3. Smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Quitting smoking can drastically improve your heart and brain health. 4. Excessive alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can raise blood pressure, leading to heart disease and brain damage. Moderation is key. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to RxRevelation for more health tips. 5. High blood pressure. Chronic high blood pressure can damage arteries, leading to heart failure and strokes. Regular checkups and lifestyle changes can help manage it. 6. High cholesterol. High levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, can cause blockages in your arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Maintaining a healthy diet and regular exercise can lower cholesterol levels. 7. Diabetes. Diabetes significantly increases the risk of cardiovascular and brain complications. Effective management includes monitoring blood sugar levels, diet, and exercise. 8. Stress. Number 8. Chronic stress. Prolonged stress can take a toll on your heart and brain. Practices like meditation, exercise, and proper sleep can help manage stress levels. Which of these risk factors surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family to raise awareness. By being mindful of these 8 risk factors and making healthy lifestyle changes, you can protect your heart and brain. Remember, small changes can lead to big impacts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy and stay curious. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from RxRevelation. See you next time.